Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome back to my kitchen for another quick and easy, delicious plant-based recipe. This recipe is loaded with protein, it has iron in it, so it is very, very good for us, and it's a great recipe to have made and have it in your fridge, and then you can use it as a sandwich spread or in a filling in some wraps. It's really delicious, or you could even use it as a dip or on some flaxseed crackers. It is yummy and it is really, really good for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm blending up 2 cups of peas. So these were just frozen peas that I've thawed out and they're now at room temperature. Just popping those in. And then next you can either use fresh garlic or garlic granules or garlic powder. So I don't have any fresh garlic on hand. I'm still waiting for my groceries to be delivered. So I'm using some garlic granules. And I'll leave the recipe down below so you can have a look at that. And then I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of tahini. My tahini has hardened up a little bit, so hopefully it'll blend up. Otherwise, I'll just add a few tablespoons of water to this mixture to get it to the consistency that I like. So depending on the status of your tahini, leave it as is and just see how you go, or add a little bit of even lemon juice is nice in this as well, and then give this a blend up. Okay, so this has blended up nicely. I didn't have to add any extra liquid to this, so depending on how much moisture your peas have in them, just adjust it accordingly. And then you can add salt and pepper to this, or a little bit of cumin, whichever spices you like, but this is the base recipe and you can add whatever you like, and it's fantastic as a sandwich spread, as I mentioned. It's also great to mix through some potatoes for a potato salad, or pasta for a pasta salad. It's really versatile just to make a batch of this and keep it in your fridge, keep it on hand, and it's loaded with protein and iron, as I mentioned, and I need to give it a taste test. Yummy. I love that flavor. It's so quick and easy and delicious. A healthy recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. Let me know what you think. This is from my 3-ingredient cookbook. The link for that is down below if you do want more of these amazing 3-ingredient recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen very, very quickly. And why not join me over in my Facebook group where we share recipes and ideas, tips and tricks. I'd love to see you there, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now.